Hi guys, Kim here. Welcome to Backyard Blooms. I have something really exciting to share with you today. I belong in the Palisades Gardening Club and we have at least 6 to 7 gardens that we're going to go visit today, including mine. So I hope that I can share a little clip of each garden with you today to give you a different aspect of how different gardens can look. This is garden number 1. So she's got some really pretty palms and more of a tropical type theme here.
Catherine, be careful. There might be some ant things out there.
I said, I text my dad.
Oh, yep. It's her fig tree.
That tree has a fig. I'm
Yeah.
gonna eat it. Should I?
I don't think so.
It works.
Somebody else is gonna
And I said to Bill, he said,
So this is her side garden here with the banana trees and some hydrangeas. So she's got her garden lined with some rock. She's got some grass. And these banana trees are making babies. A few babies there and a baby here. And she's got a little pathway going to her backyard here. And she's got some big cypress trees here for privacy. And she's got a couple of dahlias and sedum. And she likes a little bit of flair in her garden. And this is a juniper. Look at that sedum, looks really pretty in the grass. Some ornamental grasses here. Some more banana trees. And some more flair.
oh, really?
And these are the ladies on our garden tour. This is garden number 2, and this is her front yard. She has some loropetalum, candy corn.
I want to show everybody my chicken wire. It keeps the deer off.
So she put some chicken wire here to help the deer keep eating these bushes, and she said it's been working since June. And then she's got some gorgeous fall color here on her door. And that's gorgeous too up there by her window. So this is garden number 2's next door neighbor house. I just want to show you how gorgeous these trees are. And love her water fountain up there with her boxwoods.
I don't know anything about
Gorgeous.
it.
She's got some lantana here. Gorgeous lantana. And it's quite massive here. So her garden must be aged because this tree right here, it's probably a Nellie Stevens. It's quite large. So more of a mature garden. And these hollies here are pretty mature. And she has a little entranceway here. And this is most likely some type of camellia with lots and lots of little blooms on it there. And she's got some sedum. So this is her backyard. And she's got a living fence all the way around. And this tree right here is in bloom. I'll have to find out what this is. I'm thinking it's probably a camellia. It's already blooming. got a gorgeous Japanese maple. Some type of loropetalum. And this shrub right here is variegated and different looking. That is pretty cool. Show you these leaves up close. Love that plant. You could see that from a distance away. This must be the same shrubs. I love this little addition in her garden. That is so cute.
It is cute.
That would be, she needs some water there. That would be precious.
A pump on it.
Right. So some concrete accents. And then she's got some magnolias growing in the back here.
That must naturally.
No, go ahead. You can ask.
No, I was looking at her fountain.
I know she needs some water in there, don't she?
Right. So I'm assuming it's just a natural.
So she has some hydrangeas here.
Snakes and everything.
Yeah, it's hard.
Who knows what's back there? So what that's?
So we're on our way to garden number 3. And look how gorgeous this entranceway is. Look how beautiful this water feature is that she has in her garden. Oh, love this. This is so pretty. Everybody needs a little bit of water in their garden. It's so pretty. She's got some really pretty purple flowers here. I love those. I think that's Blue Mama Nubobulus. And she's got a butterfly bush there. Some grasses. Got a rose bush. Some Gerber daisies over there. And she has a fence line that are in the woods. And then everything just kind of repeats on the other side over here. So there's some lemon coral sedum and some grasses. The Blue Mama Nubobulus, variegated shrub, heuchera, coneflower, I have a little seating area up there. Everybody needs a little private seating area in a garden, as well as the water. I need to get me some of this in my mind for next year. And some asters. Everything is gorgeous in this garden. Very impressed. There's my garden party. Back of their house. The side of their house. Well, this plant right here is in a pot. I'll have to ask him what that is. And you can tell that he's gonna do some planting there. Is that my saying? Let's get to planting. So they just told me that this was a moonflower and it opens up at night. And there's the bloom there. different. This is garden number 4, and this is the front yard. So there's a crepe myrtle and some landscape roses and some nandina, and she's got mums, and then her front porch is decorated really pretty. Birds are gorgeous. I'm not sure if that's some type of, I'll have to ask her what that is. She battles deer here, so she's got some netting on her landscape here to help keep some of those away. Got a limelight hydrangea. Her fall decorations are really pretty. Love that. And that's really cool up there too. So her backyard has got a large hill here. So she's got a retaining wall and a really large hill. So let's walk in and see what she's got. So this is her retaining wall. And then she's got some planters here on the wall. And let's walk up to the steps here to see what she's got. I'm trying to keep my camera out. And there's a crepe myrtle and some lantana. And she's got some of that manvilla. Trying to get it to grow up the trellis there. She's got some limelight hydrangeas and a birdhouse. These are those big arborvitaes, the big green trees. There's a name for that. I'll have to find out the name for you. She's got some nandinias and some azaleas. And I love how she's planted these. You see how she's got 3 in a row here, and then she's got 3 here, and then she's got 3 of the limelight hydrangeas back there. So when you plant things in multiples, then they make a big impact. She's got 3 of the butterfly bushes. And she's got some perennials here. So this is garden number 5, and of course this is my house. You've all seen this on video. And these are the lovely garden ladies that are in my group. So this is the cottage garden. And the rose garden. And that's my hydrangea garden.
Could we put them in the backyard?
They do last. What is this flower?
That is a blanket flower. It's a perennial.
Yeah.
So I have not done anything to this front bed other than the fountain because, well,
So this is garden number 6. This is garden number 6. She has this gorgeous celosia here.
Very clearly.
She has some arborvitaes in the back, some butterfly bushes, some salvia. I'm not sure what this plant is. And then she has a seating area over there, more of a natural type garden. She has some artwork. She really likes art. And then this is the gorgeousness of her garden. So she has a hill that comes down towards her house. You can see this is the back of her house, and then a little bit of flat space, and then all hill. And then she's got this gorgeous pond that has several waterfalls. So she's got a little waterfall there. And I love all of her little flowers that she has. that are growing there. There's like a king tut. Love the sound of water in a garden. It's so peaceful. Everyone needs water in their garden. And then she's got the Blow My Mind evolvulus and some impatiens and salvia. And look at all this gorgeous color that she still has here in October. And I believe this is lavender. And then she has some landscape roses. That align all the way up around her garden here. And she's got some grasses that have already been spent. This is the top of the pond here with the waterfall. So I think she's got 3 waterfalls. I'm not sure what these plants are. I think these are angelonas. And something angelonas. This is a purple and a pink. So I'm gonna have to plant me some of these to give me some more of that color here in October. And then she's got some sedum. She's got some driftwood up there. Lamb's ear. And then she's got the salvia. The bees are all over. She's got some sedum tucked in there. And then over here, she has a pathway. And then she's got the arborvitaes. And this is lantana. It's like a mixture of lantanas. And this might be a crepe myrtle, magnolia in the back. And then there's a red bud right there. And then she has some heuchera up here. 2 different varieties of heuchera. And then just some more natural space here. And then pivoting back over towards the back of her pond, she has a Japanese maple. And then she's got some big rocks just to give it some accent and look natural. This is the salvia. It's almost just as tall as me. Love the space. I love her garden. I love that it's different. I love that everybody has different taste and likes different things. And this is coleus. This coleus is almost as tall as me. And she has some lavender. I need to try more lavenders in a pot. Some more grass. And there's our gardening, ladies. Have a good day, ladies. Hope you enjoyed the tour.